Now I'm going to be assured of this greening up. I'm going to have to tell my lawn guy, I've got quite a few weeds in here starting to grow in here. And usually he fertilizes twice a year. So I'm going to have to talk to him about that. Where this is ground, where this ground is dead, I'm just going to kind of encourage some new growth by pulling some of this dry stuff out of there. And cross my fingers that everything will be fine. You know, most grass, you put water on it, it's amazing how well it will come back, okay? But just kind of tease it a little. Just tease it a little to encourage some new growth, some new sprigs to come up through, okay? Okay, I think that'll help that. Oh, I'm glad that's done with. I can mark that one off my list. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.